yes, I told you I was going to show you the parent website. So once you, you want to kind of monitor what your kids are doing, this is the website where you can actually, you go to HuePets.com. You can see a video of what the HuePets 2.0 app is all about and how it works in general. There's also the Huey Bundle right there, our mission, and also links to get the app directly from HuePets.com, either on the App Store or Google Play. But what I wanted to show you is that once you have signed up, and actually you can't see on the screen, that's great, but it would say sign in or log in. So you want to go to login, and so you're going to put your email and password and log in on there. And so one of the things that I mentioned before is that you can have multiple kids added to the same account so that you can easily manage. And in this case, you go to the left-hand side and you have your kids. So as you can see, I have like 6 kids, but anyway, so you can add any kid that you want, and you can easily go to the bottom and add a kid. So you would be able to add their name and then hit next on there if you wanted to add a kid. The other cool thing is that it gives you the period for the tracker, so it measures the daily color or hues for your child. We recommend having a variety of the 6 colors or hues to have a healthy diet, 5 to 9 servings, at least 5, and you can read all that on about HuePets on the app. There's also reports. So on the report, you will see a report for that particular child. In this case, this child has not done anything. So let's see if we go to a different child and what they've eaten. You can see recommendations on recipes as well that we can give you based on their intake. One of the things that I wanted to talk about was the Huey rewards, because this is a common question for parents. Is like, well, how do I manage each of the kids, or can I add the reward? So this is the place, and under Huey rewards, you can see on this tab where you would add it. And as you can see, for this particular child, they wanted the Funko Pop games, Destiny, blah, blah, blah. So this item is actually on Amazon. So the website is fully connected to Amazon if you choose to use it that way. So in this case, this has been added before, but you can add a reward. So this is the functionality that I really think is really, really cool. You can add a reward, and so you can put a level of difficulty, easy, medium, hard, and then you can put a custom reward or find a reward. We have some popular rewards that are non-monetary, but you could also find a reward. So you can see the non-monetary, pizza night, play date, etc. Hi, welcome to the demo portion of HuePets 2.0. And as you can see, we have our pet, and he's ready to have all the colors, the 6 colors. And wanted to show you some of the functionality. You will get a screen where, if you're new to the app, it's going to say create account or login, and I can show you a picture. But once you log in and you're into the app, you'll be ready to go. There's some features here that we wanted to show you to the left. So you'll see that you are able to switch a kid. And I'm going to show you that functionality with the rewards later on the parent dashboard. You can also click on the help. So the help, how do you earn points? How do you level up? What levels? How does the scanner work? And how to earn coins as a reference. Then there's Huey information. So that's information about the 6 colors, and there is examples. So this is a great reference point. It has like the 6 colors and what food items kind of correspond to different colors. Great for teaching kids. And then about HuePets, that's just more about us and how the app works. So the whole idea is that as kids scan for veggies and fruits in the different colors, they will earn rewards. So as you can see, it's very intuitive because it's designed for kids 2 to 8. And so you can scan for a different color. There's no words. So you can click on green, for example, and then you can start scanning for your green color, in this case, broccoli, and feed the HuePet. So the whole idea is for the kid to have fun, keep interacting with the app, and they earn coins as they go. Now we're moving on to the color red, and so forth. So you're going to keep going and feeding your pet. So the whole thing keeps feeding their HuePet as they're eating the fruit and veg. And same thing, now you're seeing the orange, feeding the HuePet and earning coins. And now you can go to blue. So, you know, I'm not going to show you all the colors, but the idea I want to show you here is that they can earn points or coins, and in this case, they can accessorize. So you can see blue is the HuePet here, and we can go to the store, and the kid can actually really accessorize and make the pet look, you know, however they want it to look from the store. One of the things that's also different in the HuePets 2.0 is the potions. So you have potions as you earn rewards. So you can see to the left, right there, you can have different potions. So we can click on one of the potions. If you were to have enough coins, in this case, we don't have enough coins. So hence, the kid needs to be leveling up. But there is the potion application, which is new in the 2.0. I also wanted to mention that you can add, so this is just showing you a flavor of it. The app is fully connected. It gives you a dashboard of the kit, what he has eaten or scanned, but you have full control. So I'm going to show you, in this case, for example, you can see a reward that was set up on the parent site. So I'm going to show you on the parent site a little bit later, but you can see that for that particular kid, that's a toy that the kid wanted. And so one of the cool things about this is that the HuePets 2.0 is actually connected to a website, a parent website, where you can choose the app to just be a game, or you can choose to add the reward component for each of the kids. And as they play on the mobile app, it's fully connected to the parent website.